So my name is Hasan. My full name is Hasan Bhuiyan, and around 2 years back I did a graduate certificate in electrical engineering from EIT, and it was a very good course. Currently I'm working as an electrical engineer in the power and energy sector. I specifically work in Zinfra, and what I actually do is zone substation design. I was also working for another company in Brisbane, and because EIT was delivering this course online and they were delivering the lectures around 6 or 7 o'clock in Brisbane time, that worked perfect for my schedule. So I was looking for something I can attend to after work, and with the right course, this was the perfect opportunity.
Studies?
Yes, I would definitely say it's doable, and if I remember correctly, one of a very good thing here was in the EIT lectures, online lectures, where let's say for some reason, due to some other commitment, whether work or personal life, you missed a lecture. So EIT had that option. You go over the lecture, you write a summary, and you get credit points or marks for it. So this worked good for me because when I was free, I could go over that lecture and I could write a summary, which even allows me to demonstrate what I learned from that lecture, and as well as receive feedback. So with that flexibility there, and if I remember, I think the assessments, rather than starting at a particular time and ending within it was given a day, or for the assessments we were given a deadline, so I could manage my other priorities accordingly. So with the flexibility given in the graduate certificate schedule, it worked. It was very flexible. Yeah. Yes, I'm definitely sure it has helped in my work and career. So I work for my background mostly was I worked as a secondary and protection engineer, but I worked before for mining projects and in overseas for transmission projects. So I'm currently working for a distribution company, but when I was doing this graduate certificate with EIT, I remember we were learning about these poles, electrical poles and wires, and the clearing distance, and I'm probably getting a bit more technical stuff just to give a proper overview. So that's how distribution poles are designed and power is distributed. So when I was giving my interview, while they didn't specifically ask about that, I could use these terminologies which I was learning and this concept to portray myself that I have a very good knowledge of distribution background, and that has, I would say, definitely helped. And on addition, it has also helped my career because I got my Chartered Engineering Accreditation, and this was something I could demonstrate as a professional development as well. I would definitely say go for it, because one of the things, particularly for a practicing professional working, it's good for you because it allows professional development, and which even other than any kind of accreditation, as people working in our field, we should at least make an attempt to keep upskilling ourselves, and with its online flexibility, very practical and industry oriented courses, and rather than focusing a lot on theory, it's very practical oriented, which you will get to see in your everyday life. I would say it was fantastic because with the teachers were good, the lecturers were good, I learned a lot from my courses, which has helped me in my career. So if it's those short upskilling in a short time, these graduate certificates are very good. And yeah, and if you later want to pursue for Master's or Doctor of Engineering, you still have that option, or if you want to just take it step by step with a graduate certificate, graduate diploma. So there is a lot of flexibility, and there is a lot of options available depending on your interest and your goals.